Plug in the power. Turn on the control switch at the back of the machine. On the front of the machine, turn on the emergency stop, laser, and galvanometer buttons in sequence. Open the dust-proof lift door. Open the computer in the cabinet. Waiting for the computer to start up, double-click to open the software. After entering the software, check Enable Z-axis. Then click Physical 0. Wait for the machine to automatically return to 0. After returning, there will be a window prompt. Click to confirm. Now we make a relief mark on the aluminum block. First, find the focus by the up and down heights of the Z-axis. Adjust the parameters here. First, lower the height by 400. Waiting to descend to the specified position. Text tool edit text. Switch the processing mode to normal mode. Check Enable Z-axis and continuous markings. Try it out with the aluminum card marks to find focus. This needs to be raised a little to get the best focus. Continue to adjust the height downward by 20 until the appropriate distance is adjusted. Cancel continuous mark after finding focus. Here is the actual value now. This is the focus that was last set. After clicking Set to Focus Position, no matter how you adjust it, click Go to return to the actual value. After finding the focal plane, start editing the 2.5D relief file. Click the STL icon. Select the file you prepared, usually in STL format. Open. Here is a list of views. This is the front. This is the top. Now you need to rotate the top view to the front view. Click on the cross icon in top view. Click Rotate to rotate the image to the front. Then perform section processing to match the graphic size and material size. Click on the section. The height of each layer is set to 0.01. The height is now displayed as 501 millimeters. The material height is 3 millimeters. The image needs to be reduced to less than 3 millimeters. Click the cross icon. Here is the zoom. Zoom by multiple. So setting 1.5 means zooming in 1.5 times. Setting 0.5 means reducing the size by 0.5 times. Continue to scale down to the appropriate size. Then click Emboss Slice. Speed is 3000. Power is 100%. Delay is -10. Box selection. Resize to appropriate size. There are yin mark and yang mark here. We choose yang mark. Then add a rectangle and fill in the size according to the above values. Apply. Here you can preview the number of layers. Each additional layer will display more completely. Return to the first level, filling. Set the line spacing according to the depth you want to engrave. The smaller the value, the more three-dimensional it is. Here we set it to 003. Confirm filling. If you feel that the engraving is dark and the effect is not ideal, you can choose to use the cleaning layer. Add a rectangle with the same size. Change the fill color to blue. Line spacing is 0.08. Check Show Cleaning layer and you can see the blue cross lines. Select the blue color of the settings. Speed 5000 mm des. Power 10%. Use as needed. We don't need it now, so uncheck it. Here is select the specified number of layers to process. When the machine is paused and restarted, it will normally continue engraving from the first layer. This function can specify the number of layers to start engraving. For example, if we enter 88 to 392, we will carve from layer 88 to the last layer. Change the processing mode to 3D mode. Preview red light. You can see that it starts from the 88th floor. Cancel the specified layer selection. Apply. Red. Click Mark. Shut down the computer after use. Finally, turn off the galvanometer, laser, and emergency stop switch in sequence.